Hi everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate how to install an SSL certificate on WordPress. First, generate a CSR and private key using the SSL Dragon CSR Generator tool. Keep the private key code secure and share the CSR with SSL Dragon to obtain the CRT. For the common name, use your domain name, yourdomain.com, and for the email address field, and fill out all required information like state, city, org name, org unit name, use your associated email address, info@yourdomain.com, as shown in the video. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into .csr and .key files, and share them with SSL Dragon. SSL Dragon will issue a .crt file for the provided .csr code. Ensure that you use your domain name for the .crt and .key file names, but you can rename them as needed. Check to confirm that the uploaded files are on the server. Now, move the .crt and .key files to their respective locations as demonstrated in the video. Provide read and write permissions to the user only in the etc/pki/tls/private directory to secure the key from other users on the server. Make the necessary SSL configuration changes on the server, as shown in the video. restart the HTTPD service. Make the required changes from the WordPress dashboard in the Settings tabs, and configure WordPress to work with the SSL certificate on the secure port. Refresh the tab to see the reflection of the changes. Finally, log in with your login credentials. Click the padlock icon and inspect the certificate details. Thank you for watching this video. You can save 10% on any SSL certificate order on SSL Dragon by using the promo code YouTube10 at checkout.